everyone, and welcome back to Doodles Facing Body Art. In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint this super easy and fun holiday design. I'll be using the following products. If you don't have a short angle brush, you can also use a regular flat brush. To create the candy, begin by loading your brush with white and a little bit of gray. If you are using an angled brush, make sure to load the gray on the long end of the bristles. Place your brush at a 90-degree angle and create a circle by twisting it. Make sure that the gray is on the outer edge of the circle. To create the stripes, use a round brush and place a small dot in the center of the circle. This will serve as a guide. Make curved teardrops for the stripes. They should go from thick to thin. Add as many as you would like. You can always go back and refine the stripes as needed. Another way to make the stripes is to create two curved lines and fill them in. It's like making a slanted triangle. Regardless of which method you choose, one thing to keep in mind is to make sure that all of your stripes are facing the same direction. Now that you know how to make the candy, let's make the full design. Start by painting some snowflakes, either with a stencil or freehand. Place the candy on top of the snowflakes to create dimension. Add as many as you would like in different sizes and colors. Add some dots, highlights, and you're done. If you want to take it a step further and have the time to spare, you can also outline the candy in black and white to make them stand out more. I'm using the black and white paint from the split cake. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!